Hey, it's yours truly, Greg Scott, founder and CEO of Financial Fit Club Incorporated, your #1 customer rated finance and credit repair company. Your financial tip for the day is, how much income do you need in your savings account? Well, I recommend building 2 different savings accounts, a short-term and a long-term savings. In your long-term savings, you want to have at least 3 months living expenses to cover major car repairs, sickness, time you may need to take off of work to take care of family, and things like that. Next, you want to have a short-term savings with at least 1 month of living expenses to take care of short-term emergencies like car repairs, home repairs, birthday parties, and things like that. So you need 2 savings accounts to start building your financial future. Need help with your finances? Click the link in the bio or the body of this post. And remember, get financially fit. Your legacy depends on it. Thank you.